Jireh, you are enough. Jireh, you are enough. Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here. PianoMeditation.com. Piano meditation worship tutorials. Song today is Jireh, and I gotta be honest. First time I heard that word, I was like, Jai, that's what it turned into instead of Jireh. But some pretty cool, you need to look that up and see where that comes from. It's really beautiful. God, we just call you into this lesson today. The God who takes care of us, the God who knows us. And we just ask you to bless the student wherever they are in the world. Amen. Our song is in the key of E flat, and we'll be using the last page on cheat sheets today. So if you don't have cheat sheets, go below the video, click on the link, get you some cheat sheets, sign you up for the email list, and it'll send it right over to you. And you print off the last page in there, and you can draw in this. And this is what we're going to be using while we're playing chords, and there's some other cool different parts to the song. So if you need to pause the video and circle those things in so you can be ready to flow through this with us, do that. Also, you can copy and paste the lyrics from below the video into a Word document and have those to follow along with. So let's look at the intro. Now, this is a really long song. I was joking with a friend of mine. I was like, does Maverick City have any songs that aren't 10 minutes long? He's like, yeah, they have some that are 15. Oh, good point. So it's long, and I don't want to do an hour video teaching this. So I'm going to show you the main parts, different stuff that you need to know to be able to work through this song. So starting off, let's look at the intro. Cool little line there. So I'll play it for you slowly here. You start off with, and you land on, and if you do a little roll, bottom to top, it sounds nice. So you got da 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 da, then down to, land on this, and then it's a roll up. Do that, and then you land on this, and you'll play to end it. So do. All right, kind of get each one of those parts that I broke down for you. If you need to go back and watch it a couple times, do that. But here it is very slowly. Oops, I played the wrong thing in the bass. All right, let me go even slower. That was, even though it was slow, it seemed kind of fast. So I'll go even slower for you. All right, so hopefully you can see that it's broken down. So just work on that little intro. It's a nice thing. And he does it a little bit in, I think, there's one of the verses somewhere. I don't know if it's verse 1, tag 1, bridge 3, chorus 7, whatever. There's a lot to this song, a lot of cool stuff. So that's how it goes. Verse 1. So now we're going to be working from those chords that you drew in with the cheat sheets. And what you'll want to do, if you drew it in how I had the picture, then you'll be working down from the C minor 7. So those chords in order. So these are just the right hand notes, and then our left hand's just playing some octave notes. So C octave. We go to a B flat with the 4. This is how it looks. I'll move this finger so you can kind of see what's going on. Then the A. And if you want to put in this note for the A, you can do that as well. And then to the E flat. So what you need to get down, this is a huge basis for the song. These 4 chords. So first of all, if you can't move in between them, you need to pause and do that. All right. But the rhythm of it, So if we were counting in fours, you probably wouldn't count this way normally, but this is a good way to show you. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So on that 4 is when you're changing chords. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 1, and you can count like that if you want 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. All right. So that's going to be the feel of the whole song as far as the chord movements go. So now that you got the chords, make sure you get the rhythm in there, and then you'll be ready to flow through the verse. I'll never be more loved than I am right now. Holding you up, right? Doesn't take a trophy. All right, now we have a different chord here. This is our F minor 7. And you might be wondering, well, why am I playing an A flat major chord if it's an F minor 7? Because F is in the bass. So that changes the color. See, major chord, minor chord. Right, that bass note, adding that in there creates, and we're just playing the top part of it. That might have been too much information. I'm sorry. If so, you didn't see that. All right. That was the Men in Black flasher deal. Didn't work. So you'll play that, and then do the E flat there. Now, at the end of the song, there's like a quick chord change, or end of the verse, I mean. I'll never be more loved than I am right now. So it changes pretty quickly. Than I am right now. All right. So just be aware of that change at the end of each verse. It does that real fast movement, and we'll see some more of that in the song. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna fly through this thing so that it's not an hour video. Verse 2, same thing. But I won't go down. And then it has that quick chord change at the end of verse 2 with that F minor 7. Let's look at the chorus. Now we're just grooving here. So before we had this B flat with the 4 in it, which is this. Right now in the chorus, we don't have that 4, so we can just play regular B flat. And we're going to keep that same rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, Jireh, you are enough. In every circumstance, Jireh, you are enough. Now, if you want to play an extra beat like I'm doing here, all it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so on that 4, you can add the extra thing that sounds nice. Okay, like I said, tons of tags and all this. This is the key that the recording is in. So once you get the flow of it, put on the actual recording, pull up the YouTube video or the Spotify, wherever you listen to music, and then you can work it with that, and you'll hear what's going on. So into the tag, ever enough, more than enough. See, it's still doing the same thing. It doesn't ever enough, always enough, more than enough. Right? Cool. Verse 3 flows like the other verses. Now you're gonna see though, you'll see this E flat / G. So on our normal E chord we're playing here, we have E flats in the bass, but on a / G, just move your pinky right here to the G. Anything after the slash is talking to the bass player. The lowest notes. Okay, and you can keep this E flat here because it's an E flat and it works. All right, so get used to that for that / chord. That'll be the only difference in there. Then we have chorus 1B, which also has, instead of the E flat, they do an E flat / G because, why not change it up? That way we can call it a chorus 1B instead of just a chorus. I'm being sarcastic here. All right, then there's another tag after that. Okay, when we get into the bridge, bridge 1, you can hear the piano kind of doing this thing at... So all I'm playing is an E flat and a B flat up here. You could even play B flat, E flat, but you're kind of holding this out as you got the bass notes going. Actually, if you play the bass notes up higher, it kind of sounds cool. Okay, so same movement, but now it's just kind of the bass, and this right hand's doing a cool little deal. All right, so that's what you're doing through the bridge. I'm already loved. Maybe I'll sing a little. I'm already loved. I'm already chosen. And I know what you're spoken. All right. Okay, just so you get the idea of it. And then we have that is enough. That is enough. That is enough. That is enough. You are enough. You are enough. You are enough. Enough. Right. A lot of tagging that ending there. So with that part, that first chord is going to get just one beat. Da, da. So we'll go back to our regular chords. That is enough. 2, 3. That is enough. 2, 3. That is enough. So see how that first chord just gets 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So that's how that whole vamp. Sorry if I didn't say vamp before. Vamp section flows. Just those first chord gets that beat. So you'll be flowing through that. It's nothing different in here, just a rhythm thing. Cool. And then one of my favorite parts of the song here, when we get to bridge 2, you'll do this. And it's really not that hard, but it's beautiful. Bass, we're just doing this A flat, E flat, A. It's an A flat in the bass, instrumental. And then it goes down to the E/G. So we're playing G's, and we can keep the E here. Right? Remember to play with your hands out like this. I'm just doing this so you can see. And then we got a little E flat scale going here, so it's just da 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 da. So if I was counting it, da 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 da. 1, 2. This is your beat here. In the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so if you need to circle that for a while, that might be something you have to work out, but that's how it's flowing. And then within that, so I like to kind of hit these together, and then I'll use that E flat a lot. And that'll sound real nice. So that's where the bass changes. Da, 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 right before the. If he dresses the lily with the beauty and splendor, how much more will he clothe you? So that's how you're going to be flowing through the bridge part. That might take some time to get, so don't get frustrated. You just got to work on it. Work. Day, week, whatever. Let your body learn how to do all of that. Okay, so again, you can copy and paste this from below the video. And of course, there's the cheat sheets that you can print off. Be on the email list. I'll send you more cool stuff about learning piano and worship and all different genres and whatnot. So hope you enjoyed that lesson. Wade McNutt here, Piano Meditation Worship Tutorials, pianomeditation.com. Subscribe. We will see y'all later, guys. Bye-bye.